What is Wabi Sabi, and what does it mean to me? Wabi Sabi is an ancient Japanese philosophy that finds beauty in imperfections. Marks and scratches and mistakes through age and wear and tear are looked as beautiful and something to be appreciated. When I first learned about the term Wabi Sabi, I used it almost jokingly, kinda as a scapegoat. What did you do?
I broke the bottom step. Oopsie.
When I would make a mistake, I would claim, oh, Wabi Sabi, like it was intentional. But then the more I thought about it, the more I realized, yeah, each one of those marks and scratches are beautiful because they have a story attached to it. It makes a piece like no other truly unique. It's nothing like these mass-produced standard objects which are exactly the same. These reclaimed materials have stories of its own. It's significant, and I find that a beautiful sentiment. Stories like how this piece of wood came out of that hole became this bench, or this piece of plywood that was once a subfloor covering these beautiful original floors became this deer head, or how these old cabinet doors became this functional pocket door. I use these reclaimed materials because I find they always produce a more interesting outcome. They have a personality, they have a story, they're special.